Join me as I try to whip up the perfect energy boosting Cashew-Date drink to kickstart my morning. In this video, you will learn how to make a delicious and nutritious cashew and dried fruit drink that will start your day. Many people struggle with low energy in the morning, leading to unproductive days. And this drink will help solve that problem. Mornings can be tough and it's easy to hit the snooze button. But with this drink, you will be ready to take on the day. Low energy can really hinder your productivity, making it difficult to focus on tasks. Imagine having a natural energy booster that not only wakes you up but also provides essential nutrients. We'll go through the ingredients needed, the health benefits of cashew and dried fruits, and the step-by-step preparation process. To start, you will need some cashews, dates, and a few other simple ingredients. Cashew are a great source of magnesium, which helps with energy production in the body. Dried fruits like dates are packed with fiber and natural sugars for an instant energy boost. The combination of these ingredients will create a powerful drink. The health benefits don't stop there. Cashews also contain healthy fats that support heart health. By incorporating these ingredients into your morning routine, you will be giving your body a nutritious start. This drink is not only delicious but also provides a natural way to increase your energy levels. With its creamy texture and sweet taste, you will be looking forward to your morning. Watch as we blend everything together to create a smooth, energizing drink that not only tastes great but is also packed with nutrients. So let's get started with the preparation. Add your cashew dates and a little water to a blender. Blend until smooth and you will have your delicious drink. You can adjust the consistency to your liking by adding more water or ice. To wrap up, we have made a quick and easy drink that can enhance your morning energy levels and keep you feeling great all day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy recipes and check out our next video for more energy boosting tips. Thank you.